case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Bethel School District No. 403 volts. Fraser, which centered on whether schools can regulate offensive language to teach students appropriate behavior. The lawsuit began when Matthew Fraser, a student at Bethel High School in Washington, delivered a lewd speech during an assembly nominating a fellow student for elective office. Despite warnings from two teachers about the inappropriateness of his speech, Fraser proceeded, leaving some audience members cheering and others embarrassed. The school had a rule against using obscene language, and as a result, Fraser was suspended for 3 days and removed from the graduation speakers list. Fraser's father sued the school district, claiming his son's First Amendment right to freedom of speech had been violated. While the district court initially ruled in favor of Fraser, the Supreme Court reversed the decision, deeming the school district's disciplinary action justified given the offensive nature of Fraser's speech. The court determined the First Amendment did not protect his lewd speech and dismissed arguments that the suspension violated due process. Instead, the court acknowledged schools' need for flexibility in disciplinary procedures to maintain order and preserve student-teacher relationships.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.